Hey, how's it going, programmers? My name is Proxy and welcome back to another video on the channel. Now today I'm going to be explaining, as you saw in the title, how to make a Minecraft server. Now there'll be a few parts to this series, such as actually making like plugins, installing plugins, the different types of servers you can have, but we'll go over that in different videos. All you have to work out, or all you have to worry about now, is making the server, and that's why you're here. That's why you're here, to learn how to make the server. So, quick and easy. There's a few parts to it. The first part is open up your file explorer, and you want to go ahead and wherever you want to make your server. So this is just going to be a folder. Probably put this on your desktop, but I'm making this in my tutorials folder. So go ahead and make that new folder. That just did nothing. That's cool. Okay, that was weird. My computer is being a bit wacky. I'll just rename this to Minecraft server tutorial. Alright, so we have our folder. Go ahead and open that, and now open up Google. Oh, it's on my screen. Alright, go to Google and search Minecraft server download. And this one from Minecraft.net. Don't click on any other ones, otherwise it's going to be probably a virus or some shit. So make sure you're on Minecraft.net, and it will just have this information here. Basically, click this link. I'll actually have a link down in the description to this. Go ahead and click that, and it should download something called server.jar, and it'll have this little command down the bottom. You want to copy that right now, so you don't forget it. Right, click keep if it asks, and now go back over to this folder, just drag that on in there, and now what you want to do is go new text document, call it run.bat. This just makes it a little easy to see what's going on in your server. So now you want to go edit, it'll open up a notepad, and you basically want to paste what you just wrote before, but whatever it downloads as. So if it's server.jar, then just rename this to server.jar, and this little XMX, this is the amount of RAM on your computer that you want to dedicate. So I'd recommend half or a quarter of what you need, but you really only need 2 gigabytes. On my computer I have 16 gigabytes of RAM, so I'm just going to go out with 4 gigabytes. You don't really need to bother converting it to megabytes, you can just go 4G, no, be 4 gigabytes, and that's alright. And the no GUI part, you can just remove that if you want. Just the no GUI just like helps you like see all the logs and stuff a lot easier than what it would be in the server.jar. Right, so you want to go ahead and make sure you save that, Control F, and then close it and double click it, and it will open up command prompt. And now you basically want it to create all these files. Hold up a sec, let me just drag this over. Yep, so now it's closed itself because the euler.text has been set to false. So now you want to go in here, open it, change it to true, and go ahead and keep running that run.bat. And it'll create more files, it'll create your world, all that good stuff. See, it's preparing all the files you need to run the server. It's preparing the spawn area. Just wait for that to be done. Now another part which I will cover in this video is port forwarding. So no one at the moment can actually join this server, only you can join the server. So if I went Minecraft, I open up my Minecraft, and it's 1.16.2 I believe. if I went ahead and did that, I would be able to join. So let me just do this real quick. Yeah, so the next part we're gonna do, I'll just explain this as Minecraft's opening. The next thing we want to do is port forward it so that basically, the way I like to explain port forwarding is, think of a large wall with a bunch of different doors. Yeah, okay, yeah, so a large wall with a bunch of like closed doors, and then on the other side is everyone else, your friends, whoever you want to join. On the side you're on is your computer, the place that you want people to join. Basically what port forwarding does is it opens one of those doors on a certain port, on a certain number, and allows other things to come through that door and none of the other ones. So that's basically what we're going to do so that people can actually access our server. So if you want to access your server just by yourself, you can just go localhost and click done, and it'll be down the bottom, localhost, you can join, log in, and you've got a Minecraft server, except, you know, your friends can't join. So, what you want to do, hey, this is a pretty cool island, what you want to do, disconnect from that, I'm going to have to blur quite a bit of this, because my IP address and everything, but basically what we're going to do is go to a new tab and go my IP address, and that'll basically come up with your IP. I'm going to blur that because I don't want you to have my IP address, and this is basically what you're going to give your friends to join your server. Now next what you want to do is you want to open up control panel. And okay, now you want to go to network and sharing center. We're just going to change our local IP, so the IP our machine is running on within our public IP. Is we're going to go change adapter settings, open up that Ethernet or whatever you have, go properties, open up Internet Protocol version 4, open that up. Now basically yours will probably have obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server automatically. You want to change that, so basically what you want to change it to, if you open up a new command prompt, just go the command ipconfig/all and you get these things. The only things you need to worry about is this bottom section. So in the IPv4 address, probably just use the exact one that's like written for you, but change it so that it uses the following IP address and then blah 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 blah. Basically gives your machine a static IP which doesn't change so that your server just doesn't randomly break. Next, the subnet mask will be here as well, the default gateway is there, DNS server is there. Now, this DNS server, this is where you're going to configure your port forwarding. So now you want to go back to Google, and you want to go to your DNS. General one is 192.168.0.1. That's a pretty common one. And now you want to go, so this is mine, but generally it will be in some sort of like advanced section. This is different for everyone, but for me it's in my advanced under my firewall. Just look for the tab which says port forwarding. Sometimes it's under like internet or like sharing and stuff. Mine's under firewall. Now in the port forwarding, you basically want to go to this little box and you want to type in the name. So it's the Minecraft server. The protocol, just put both, just in case. The WAN port is going to be 25565 unless you change that in server.properties, but it's almost always going to be 25565. And this destination IP, this is going to be the IP that you got and put in to that little box, you set your static IP to. So it's, for me it's 192.168.0.10, and you'll put that in there. So 192.168.0.10. Alright, now you have, and then click the plus, and then make sure to click save if it comes up. now you basically have a Minecraft server that is accessible to friends using the IP address that shows up. See, I can go here. Actually, wait, that's localized. That's also localized. If I copy this, and it comes up. So my IP address is in here, and it comes up, and you can join. So this is imitating a friend joining, and I've just joined the server from my public IP. So yeah, that's how to make a Minecraft server. Make sure to tune in next time for more tutorials such as making plugin servers or making plugins, all that good stuff. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.